Assalamu alaikum. I am Redwan Mullah, student ID 232470886. Today my presentation topic is crystal structure of cement compounds and strength development. Now I am talking about course information. Understanding the fundamental crystalline phases in Portland cement is essential for predicting material behavior and mechanical performance. Next slide. The uh, four major phases: alite, belite, aluminate. Now alite, tricalcium silicate continues constitutes 50 to 70% of clinker, responsible for early strength and gain and initial setting. Belite, dicalcium silicate constitutes 50 to 30% of clinker, responsible for late term strength development beyond 28 days. Aluminite, C3A and C4AF phases, crucial for flash set prevention and chemical resistance properties. Next slide. Tricalcium silicate crystal structure. Alite is solid solution containing CaO and CSiO2. In its pure form, it has several polymorphs depending on temperature: triclinic, monoclinic, and rhombohedral. High reactivity is due to the presence of holes or voids in the oxygen packing, allowing water molecules to penetrate the react rapidly. Next slide. Dry calcium silicate crystal structure. Belite is generally found in the polymorph in commercial cement. Its structure is more stable and densely packed than C3S due to the stable SiO4 tetrahedra agreement. Its hydration rate is significantly slower, contributing to the durability and long-term density of concrete. Next slide. Uh, crystallography compression. Property: alite and belite. Property: common crystal from alite monoclinic or triclinic. Belite monoclinic. Property: reaction rate: alite high and belite low. Heart heat of hydration: alite 500 and belite 250. Property: early strength contribution: alite dominant and belite minimal. Final strength contribution: alite high and belite significant. Next slide. Hydration chemistry. Here we see some equations. Next slide. Here strength development trends. Here we see a graph. Next slide. Microstructural elevation. Here we see two photos. First is CSH gel, and second Portlandite. Um, uh, CSH gel, the primary glue of concrete, amorphous nano fibers that interlock to create strength. And Portlandite hexagonal plate crystals maintains alkalinity, but it is weaker than CSH. Next slide. Strength development factors. Fast crystalline defects. high defect High defect concentration is allied crystals promotes faster waste penetration, and curing temperature. Elevated temperatures accelerates the early hydration of C3S, but may harder long-term C2S stance. Specific surface area. Finer grinding of the clinker increases reactivity for both phases. Chemical admixtures. Accelerators target C3S respectively to achieve high early strength for rapid construction. Thank you.